mess. Can't keep it organized. And then worked on my last nerve. I'm done with it. I'm done with it. Tired of pulling the trailer, lost my bucket. With my incredible pad. Look at back here how it is. Lost my top. So, what I'm gonna do is convert to this. This is what I'm converting to. This is what I'm gonna be converting to. Changing over, man. Changing over. Changing over. Just want to show y'all what I'm working on. And I'm also gonna go ahead and use my cap pump with the motor, the electric belt driven commercial pump. It looks kind of rusty because it's been in the storage for damn near a year and something, but I checked it out. Still, motor still is good. Everything. I'm gonna get this checked out. The guy gonna put another hose, get me a longer hose. As y'all can see, this gun here is just a gun with no trigger, and the tip is like that. It has no quick connect on the end, so you're gonna convert it for me and put me a longer hose on it. Give me a longer hose. I'm trying to figure out how I want to do it. Do I want to? I'm about to put a 2x4 behind here to keep it balanced, but this also turns either way. Oh, I can come up down here. I'm waiting on to meet the guy with another tank, 125 gallon tank. So, hey, and I'm gonna go with the quiet generator. I'm gonna get the 3500 Predator generator. So, I mean, I was thinking about getting one of those Kranzels from Matt, but I forgot I had this one in storage, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this one, see how it works out for me, and see what it do, you know. But yeah, man, it was time to level up, man. You know, it's hot. It's time to get the AC pumping. And that one got a leak in it. It's not blowing cold. So I had to level up, man. I had to spend a little money, man. You know, that's why we make the money to spend the money. So and I went on and got this. It had these racks in it already. As y'all can see, I got a rack right here for the Chevy Express van. I'm gonna go ahead on and sell those, and think I'm gonna put my 5 gallons up here, up top, and get the thing so I can, you know, fill my bottles right here and get them out of the storage. That way I don't go looking for stuff and forgot, you know, I have 5 gallon stuff, you know. Old Show Enough did the same thing. Had some stuff hidden, you know. But I'm gonna shut this off right here, from here to here, and I think I'm gonna just put the little elastic in the middle to where it can shut, to keep it cold up front, and stuff like that, the fumes or whatnot out of the front. And I'm gonna go ahead on and rhino this today, the floor. I'm gonna go ahead on and put that rhino down on the floor today. Man, I'm just gonna be working. I just want to get me a little water and try out this pressure washer for right now. And as I get ideas, build it, because I don't have nothing in my head right now. I want to put some more lighting, some LEDs up. And I also want to do like Brother Positive Flow. I want to get them connect on the outside, well, the plug on the outside, because I'm also going to be using this van for the tailgate when I be going to the games in Houston, So I want to put me a little plug on the outside, some plugs on the outside. Might even put me a flat screen in here, a nice little small flat screen in here, But man, y'all hit me up, man. Let me know what y'all think, man. Give me some ideas on this bill, man. I'm always open for ideas, man. So y'all let me know what y'all think, brother. I'm also gonna be doing some rapping on it, some lettering. Starting out, I'm not gonna do a full rap. I'm gonna just do enough to catch your eyes, Like Positive Flow say, that fly trap. I'm gonna just do enough to, that fly trap, man. I'm also about to open up my pressure washing. That's what I'm gonna use this trailer and another trailer for. My pressure washing. I just got the X-Jet M5, so I'm gonna really be doing houses and concrete and things of that nature, man. So if you got any ideas, man, y'all let me know some ideas, man, on these bills. Y'all brothers got them nice built vans. Y'all give me some ideas, man. I'm also gonna put the diamond plate along here. That way they can't break my window and get in. And also put them locks like Brandon had put on his van. I don't know what they call, but I'm gonna go ahead on and do that. We're about to go ahead on and mount that up or set it up some type of way. See if I like it and go from there, man. Y'all brothers hit me up, man. Give me some ideas. Subscribe to the channel, man. There's gonna be a lot to learn, a lot of positive ideas. Y'all give me feedback, man. Y'all stay up. This part 1 of the bill. Y'all can see I'm just starting out on this van. So, you got some ideas? Give me some, man. Even on the rap, give me some, man. Give me some ideas, man. Where my detail is at. My DAs and all that stuff. Hit me up.